Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, please.
Wow, what is this, Yashmit? Looks so
Good morning, ma'am.
beautiful. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Very nice. It has been made by you?
Ma'am. Mummy.
These are watercolors or these are crayons?
Ma'am, I use pencil color.
Pencil colors. Wonderful. Very bright. Very nice.
And
Good.
I made this from one of my drawing book.
Good
Very-
morning.
Looks very nice. Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Ma'am, today we do question answers.
Today, okay, we have completed the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, today we will do
Yes,
key
ma'am.
Yes, we are going to
No,
do
ma'am.
key points today. We will do key points today. Okay. So everybody take out your SST copies. Write down today's date.
Ma'am, today we do fill-ups.
No, beta, first we will do key points. So that when we do exercises, we know everything already. We need not look back in the chapter. Write down today's date and then key points as the heading. I will share screen with you, but before that, I'm going to read out everything.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
The heading is key points. After difficult words, right after difficult words, you have to start this one. After difficult words, write down today's date and write the heading key points. It is in continuation to the difficult words.
Ma'am is sharing the screen.
Yes, beta, I will share the screen now. Just wait for a minute. Mute yourself, Summer.
Ma'am, are you sharing the screen?
Yes, beta, I will share. Just a minute. It will take a minute. Give me just 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to read out first of all. Is that fine? Everybody will listen to what I'm reading. Can you see the screen? Can you see it?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. You can see it.
Now see, I have written chapter 3, responsibilities of good citizen, key points. The first point is civics is a subject that teaches us how the government of a country works. A citizen, no, stop writing, beta, stop writing. Everyone, I can see who all are writing. First, look at the screen and then make sure that you understand each and every word. A citizen is a person belonging to a country, having a sense of respect, duty, and responsibility towards each other is civic sense. To be a good citizen, we must be a good neighbor. The method by which the citizens choose their leaders is called an election. Write down these 6 points and then I will turn the page. Okay?
Can the screen?
What do I do?
Ma'am, can the
Ma'am, please send this picture on WhatsApp group. We will see from there because it's too small to see the whole page.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have
What
bring
I
down
have?
my laptop camera so you can see my notebook also.
Yes, I can see your notebook also. I can see your pencil also. I have sent it on the class group, bachon. You can see from there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after personal, what is written?
After person, belonging. A citizen is a person belonging to a country.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
ma'am,
beta.
what is written after duty?
Duty and A&D and responsibility. Yes.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Please scroll down.
Fine. Now you can see from point 2 to point 6.
Ma'am, it is not 0.6. It is 0.5.
That's point number 5. I have written
Ma'am,
wrong.
by mistake,
Yes, yes.
you have written
6, yes. And I have cut it. On the next page, let me see what I have written. Yes, on next page, I have written point number 6. You can check on your class group, no? There I have made it. This one is crossed, cut out, but it doesn't look like it's cut.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, fourth answer good after, please share.
Read out what is the sentence. Read it out.
To be a good, ma'am.
To be a good citizen, we must be a good neighbor.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Spelling is
today we only do
NEIGHOUR.
Today?
Ma'am, today we only do key points.
Yes, today we will do only key points.
Ma'am, they are all 10 only.
There are, let me see. Yes, there are 10. Have you done, have you done all 10 points?
No, ma'am, I am on 6 points. Ma'am, there is 10 points.
Yes, there are 10 points.
Ma'am, I have done till 5.
Very nice. Now I want one of you to read out all the points from point number 6 to point number 10. Read out. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I Yashmit?
Okay, Yashmit, read.
Can I read?
Election are held every 5 years in India. People elect their leaders through voting. The eligible age to vote is 18 years. The Election Commission of India plans
Organizes
organizes and
conducts the elections in India.
Things of personal use such as clothes, or toys, or cars, etc. Comes under private property, while parks, roads, buses, etc. used by public comes under public property.
Okay. Children, can I change this page? Can I bring the next page, or you are still writing?
Ma'am, I am on 51. Ma'am, I am on 51.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Scroll down. Fine. There is nothing below this point, beta.
Ma'am, I want to do the 6th one.
6th one, for that I have to change the page. Mute yourself.
Well, we need this in WhatsApp.
Who have done till
In WhatsApp.
they can see on WhatsApp.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Why scroll up? You have not written first and second point.
Yes, ma'am, because of connection problem, I have joined now.
Okay, now can you see? The whole page is visible now. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the first word in first point?
What is the?
Ma'am, what is the first word in the
Civics is, wait. Civics is a subject that teaches us how the government of a country works. Fine?
Ma'am, please show the next page.
Wait. Now, where do you want me to scroll? It's the whole screen, the whole page is here. If you have done this much, then beta, please see on your WhatsApp group. Check your class WhatsApp group I have sent.
I have a question related this chapter, that how to in the country where kings and queens are, how they are chosen.
Beta, as far as I know, it depends on the successor. Like suppose the current king, now the next king will be his or her daughter or son, next king or queen.
Ma'am, what is that written after the Election Commission of India?
Plans, organizes, and conducts.
Okay, ma'am. I have done Yatharth Singh.
Okay, shall I change the page?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Yes,
has
ma'am.
done this page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
still
ma'am.
doing it. Okay, now I will change the page. Those who have not done from here, beta, please see from WhatsApp group. Now let me bring the screen for those who have done the previous page.
Ma'am, as I know, VI is for 6, I think.
Yes? What?
VI is for 6, I think.
VI is for 6 points, no?
Yes, but here it is VI for 5.
Beta, that I have written wrong. I wrote it by mistake, and then you can see I have tried to cut it, but it has not been cut nicely. The fifth
Okay,
point
ma'am.
was not cut nicely. I know I made a mistake.
पूरा दिन यही करवाएंगे मतलब यही करवाएंगे in ninth point what is written after elections
The Election Commission. The Election Commission of India.
दूध की मम्मी
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of organize.
ORGANISES. Organizes.
ma'am what is written after leaders
Which point, beta? Which point?
ma'am fifth
Through. Okay, no. Fifth point. Or the seventh point. People elect their leaders through
ma'am seventh
yes, through voting. Through. THROUGH.
okay ma'am I have done till 10
Oh, wonderful. Too quick, huh? Too quick. Now till then you can do the highlighting, underlining and everything, marking.
done
Yes.
ma'am what is the first word in 10th one 10th I'm saying 10th in third one
Third or eighth, beta?
third
Okay,
T-
third. For that I will have to bring my phone. Okay, let me remove from here only. The third, having a sense of respect. This one?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm class 2. Ma'am, in ninth one, what is written after India?
What, beta?
Ma'am, in ninth one, what is written after India?
Plans. It's written plans. PLANS.
In 10th one after it's written our cars.
Yashmit, beta, which sentence?
Ma'am, in 10th one after toys.
Toys are cars. Our toys are cars, etc.
Ma'am, can we write vehicles except of cars?
My work is done, can.
What? What?
And my work is done, can.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Now do underlining and all, just the beautification of your work.
Ma'am, can we cut cars and write vehicles?
Yes, you can write vehicles.
Ma'am, I done I'm on 7 key points.
Very nice, very nice. Keep doing.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have done all key points now. What I do?
Now do just underlining, highlighting, and make it beautiful. And then let's wait for others to finish. If there'll be time left, we will come on to the exercises of the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's written in last after our?
Where, beta?
After our.
Our clothes, our toys, our cars.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good.
I'm on the 8th one.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I send my work on group?
No, beta, no, not now. After completing the whole chapter. You don't have to send it now. After you will complete the whole chapter, then you will send.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the word of 9th line, first line, last letter?
Last letter or last word? It's India. In India.
Ma'am, after India.
After India. Plans. PLANS.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent the work.
But beta, I didn't ask you to send the work. Why have you sent it?
Ma'am, I am on 9. Ma'am, I have done. Can I send you?
Better don't send right now. When we will finish the chapter, the whole chapter, then I will ask you to send the complete work.
Ma'am, can I send the work on the group?
Okay, beta, you
Ma'am,
send,
can I
but I
send the
will not
work
check
on
it today. I will not check it
what?
today. I will check it when you will complete the whole chapter.
Okay.
All of you have done? Or is there still
Yes, ma'am.
something? Anybody still doing?
Ma'am, I am on
Ma'am,
last. Ma'am, I am on third line.
All right, those who are doing.
Ma'am, I have done.
I'm on the 9th one.
Okay, beta, okay, do it.
Ma'am, we have to only underline in the numbers and the last line.
See, if you feel that something is important in between, like the method by which we choose our leaders is called election. Now you can underline election. In private property and public property sentence, you can underline private property, public property. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am, in the 9th one, the word is organization, I think, but you wrote organizers.
Beta, see. The sentence is the election commission plans, organizes, and conducts. Okay? So, three of them are verbs only. What does election commission do? Election commission, it makes the planning, it does the organizing, and it also does the conducting of the elections. Okay?
We can also
So it's written
underline
correct.
civics, citizens, civic sense.
Yes, very good. You can do civic sense. You can underline that.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Scroll up. Okay. See. Now, in these key points, children, when we underline different words, so we will read these sentences and we will figure out ourselves that in this key point, which is the key word. In every key point, there is a key word. So you can underline those key words also. Like people elect their leaders through dash. Now you can underline the word voting.
Good citizen also. And to be a good citizen, we must be a good neighbor.
Yes, so you can underline citizen and neighbor, both of them.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we don't fill in the blanks.
We will do, yes, we will do, don't worry. Still children are doing these key points. So I have told you to underline.
Ma'am, I have done Samapita Singh. Ma'am, I have done Samapita Singh.
I'm doing highlighting also.
Those who have done will underline the key words.
Ma'am, please tell me from starting keywords.
No, you will better, you will search the keyword yourself in each sentence.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
will not do the spoon feeding for this work. Look for the keyword yourself. I'm sure you will be able to find it. If not, in one time, just try to read the sentence twice, thrice. Then you will know the keyword for each line, each point, sorry.
Ma'am, in H1, how many I you have written?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in H1, ma'am, you have written in another thing. So I am saying that how the I is written. How many I are written?
5, 2. In the word L. Okay. In number 8, Roman number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Three I's are written.
Okay.
The dots are placed incorrectly. That is why maybe you're asking. Is that so?
Ma'am, done. I have done.
Very good, beta. Very good. How much time is left for the meeting to get over?
Ma'am,
1 minute left.
And 1 minute, 21 seconds.
Okay. You have underlined all the keywords?
yes, I have done like this. Please see my beautification.
And 1 minute is left.
Okay, beta. So this is all for today. We will do this only today. Okay? Nothing more than this can be done because children are still writing.
To book exercise and fill in the blanks.
Yes, we will do fill in the blanks tomorrow. We have a class tomorrow. We will do the exercises tomorrow. Don't worry. We are covering our syllabus at a good speed.
Yes, ma'am. And the first subject which is at
Ma'am, now.
The first subject, which is beta, Varishta, he is speaking now.